Ever since the first case of COVID-19 was confirmed in Uganda in March, the numbers have continued to rise steadily, albeit at a slower rate than many other countries. As a part of measures to curb the spread of coronavirus that causes COVID-19, the president put in place a countrywide lockdown, and movements have been restricted ever since. After 2 months, the lockdown is going to be mostly lifted, but all people above 6 years of age will have to wear masks in public, starting from 26 May 2020. With the proliferation of masks, some have raised the concern that wrong elements might hide under masked faces to commit crimes in the communities. In 2019, during the investigation into the murder of social worker Najilinya, police released images said to have been of the perpetrator of that very crime, and they were taken by the CCTV camera in Chireka. However, the images were not clear, so it took time for some people to identify the occupants of that vehicle. So with the people wearing masks, won't this even complicate police's work to identify criminals?
In the event that somebody is concealing to commit crime, investigation does not only stop at looking at you by face, nose and mouth. It goes even beyond that. We're able to track scents, we're able to track footprints, and we're able to track fingerprints, blood samples in the event that they are blood samples, and and we even have digital technologies that are able to help us to identify the kind of clothes people are wearing and all that.
According to security experts, public vigilance will play a pivotal role in dealing with the crime after the lockdown.
Increased vigilance both for the officers, that is both the civilian officers and the uniformed officers. So it is going to be a new journey, and I think that what I can encourage is that security officers, whether private or government officers, need to adopt the new changes and advance very quickly so that they can deter crime.
The nose will add and the mouth will add, but mainly it is the eyes, the eyelids, and then the forehead. To me as an investigator, if I see that, I cannot forget you.
Even before the masks, the forces have been grappling with the challenges in dealing with organized crimes. The experts shared their views on what needs to be done.
Apart from wearing masks, people could come and claim their COVID testing officials, Ministry of Health officials, and all sorts of people. I encourage my colleagues in other private security organizations and the government as well to advance, to deploy this kind of communications and create more awareness about putting the population to prevent itself against this kind of possible criminal activities.
I think that security should be well prepared. They should be well facilitated. They should have their salaries paid so that they are also in good moods to counteract crime.
Police have warned any person planning to take advantage of the lockdown by hiding under the masks to commit crimes. Sudil Biarhanga, NTV.